Welcome to all of you. I am Assistant Professor Kute Akshada from SNT Engineering and Research Center Evla. Welcome to online lecture series. Subject is Engineering Chemistry. Today's topic is Proximate Analysis of Coal. Determination of coal composition. Introduction. In coal, determine the coal samples, total moisture, mineral matter, pure coal. Surface moisture, inherent moisture, residual moisture, ash, volatile matter and fixed carbon. Principle. This test involves heating of the coal under controlled conditions for variable amounts of time interval to determine quantitatively percentage of moisture content, percentage of volatile matter, percentage of ash content and percentage of fixed carbon of the coal. Determination of from proximate analysis. First, percentage of moisture, percentage of volatile matter, percentage of ash and percentage of fixed carbon. Determine of proximate analysis. Dry the silica crucible and wet. Spread out 1 gram on the silica crucible. Wet the crucible again to find the exact mass. Heat the silica crucible for 1 hour about 105 to 110 degrees Celsius. Then cool it in desiccator. Wet the crucible. Percentage of moisture is equal to loss in weight of coal sample into 100 divided by weight of coal taken. Next procedure. For the percentage of volatile matter, place the crucible in muffle furnace with lid for 7 minutes, cooling in open air for a minute and then kept in a desiccator. Wet the crucible and lid the together. Percentage of volatile matter. Percentage of volatile matter is equal to loss in weight at 925 degrees Celsius into 100 divided by weight of coal taken. These are percentage of volatile matters. In next, percentage of ash. Take a residue coal in above, heated and burn in open crucible at above the 750 degrees Celsius for half hour. The coal gets burned. The ash left in crucible is cooled in a desiccator and weight. Formula of ash percentage is equal to weight of ash divided of weight of coal sample into 100. Next, fixed carbon percentage. This is the actual amount of carbon available for combustion after loss of some carbon in the form of volatile matter. It is found by calculation. Fixed carbon percentage is equal to 100 minus moisture percentage plus volatile matter percentage plus ash percentage. In proximate analysis, the percentage of moisture is equal to loss in weight divided by weight of coal sample into 100. In volatile percentage, loss in weight due to moisture into 100 divided by weight of coal sample. Weight percentage of ash is equal to weight of ash divided by weight of coal sample into 100. And fixed carbon percentage is equal to 100 minus moisture percentage plus volatile matter percentage plus ash percentage. In the proximate analysis, the desiccators are used for cooling crucible, and oven is used for the moisture extract, and muffle furnace also used for the volatile matter extract. In moisture percentage, the sample are heated at 110 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. And in volatile matter percentage, sample are heated at 925 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes. In ash percentage, the crucible at 750 degrees Celsius for half hour. Thank you.